Model, 2020 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3H2 Enterprise 2.2 BLUEHDI Spares OR Repairs Starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 84,371. Engine, 2,179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: none runner. The engine has seized, it will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: parking sensors, cruise control, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.